Zuppa di cozze, black mussels and a nice spicy tomato sugo and some bread for the scarpetta. And you got it right, it's a zuppa di cozze, it's a spicy mussel soup, black mussels, cozze is the name in Italian, and let's have a look what we need for this, let's have a look. So of course you will need the cozze. We got here 1 kilogram of fresh mussels. I put them in salty water. We will have to clean them soon, and I will show you how to do that. And so we will need that. We will prepare the spicy tomato sauce, and for this we will need for sure this polpa rustica. If you have fresh tomatoes, San Marzano ideally, it's even better. And so we will basically use olive oil. Oh, by the way, I forgot the olive oil. Of course, we do need our best friend, the olive oil, as well. So we will use this olive oil, heat it up on medium flame, together with some garlic and a little bit of these chili that I got from my garden. Have a look. We are here on my chili farm. You see these beautiful chilies. I think we will take this one. This is moderately spicy. Yeah, so you see, it's always good to grow your own ingredients in your garden, and so this chili is moderately spicy, but to make sure, let me do a little quality check. Oh yeah, this is really spicy. We will need that, we will use that. Yeah, we will do the tomato sauce together with this polpa and the garlic. We will add a little bit of salt and pepper, nothing really complicated. And then successively we will throw in the mussels and later on also a little shot of white wine. And that's all we need. And oh yes, by the end we will add a little bit of coriander, also for my garden. Okay my friends, so for our zuppa di cozze tonight we will need some parsley. And I got here the king of parsley. It's coriander, and that will really make a great difference. It's nice and spicy. Yeah, so coriander is basically the king of parsley. It's a little bit more spicy, and I like it very much. And very important is proper bread, because this is a typical dish that you can use to do a nice scarpetta and eat the sugo together with the bread. And yeah, it's really nice. This zuppa di cozze, you can use it as a starter or as a main dish. Yeah, and so as a first step we will clean these mussels. You see this white stuff, we want to get rid of this. So I just take a knife and cut this off. There we go, one. Here's another one. Yeah, this takes a little bit of time, but it's really worth it because we don't want to have this stuff in the sauce. My friends, look here, look here, look here. First milestone has been reached. You see, nicely cleaned. It's really, really important because we will put them into the sugo that we eat. And so next step is I will destroy this tricolore. I will cut the garlic into small pieces. Let's see. I first remove the skin. Okay, let's do it this way. Horizontal and now vertical cut. And I will put the garlic, very small slices, into this wok. You can also use a big pot. So I like cooking with the wok. It has some advantages for my cooking style, and so feel free to do what matches best with your techniques. Okay, we will turn on not fully high flame, but moderately high flame. We will add a little bit of olive oil. I think that will do the job, and wait a few minutes. Okay, my friends, so you see the garlic started frying. I will cut now a few slices of this really spicy, it's really spicy, this chili. Throw them into the olive oil. And I think now is already the time when we can add our polpa rustica. Again, if you have fresh tomatoes, good tomatoes, quality tomatoes from Italy, it's even better, but this is a good brand and I trust it will taste also delicious with this. Okay, here we will add a little bit of pepper and also some salt. Let's see, not too much. That should be okay, perhaps a little bit more. Yeah. Let me stir a little bit. And after a few minutes, we can already add the mussels. Okay, my friends, so let's see how we are doing. Oh yes, it's nicely cooking. And I will increase now the flame, and after a few minutes we will already throw in the mussels. They will cook for another 5 minutes and then we are ready to eat. And by the way, I think I forgot to mention, we will also add a little shot of white wine onto the mussels, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's throw in slowly the mussels, increase the heat to the maximum and close the pot. And now we need to wait that all the mussels open. If there are any mussels that don't open, we will throw them away. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yes, looks like it's all open. So now is the time that we can also add a little shot of white wine. There we go. Let them cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, and the final ingredient, our luxury parsley, the coriander that is growing in my garden. We will add this as well. See? Zuppa di cozze, black mussels and a nice spicy tomato sugo and some bread for the scarpetta. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, feel free down there in this direction to subscribe to this channel. There will come many more videos. This is really just the beginning. I have so many new recipes in mind. Also feel free to like, to share, to comment, and I will answer any of your questions that you may have about the recipe or other recipes. And yeah, buon appetito. Let's do the test. Oh yes. And also a nice scarpetta and a spicy tomato sugo. Incredible.